Who can create a real English pub in Slovenia? Of course,
I'm an Englishman in Premetovc. This to me is so much like an English pub. I can easily see this becoming like a little piece of England in Slovenia. We could be having breakfasts here and serving tea and coffee, putting the Wi-Fi on, doing a little relaxing and reading here. It's such a nice space, it's so welcoming and it's so comforting, especially with the pitch on. We have lots of plans and many things which are in the pipeline. Potentially we'll be serving food here and opening it as a restaurant. But it'll also be a place where we'll have events, like for example, wedding receptions. And we also have some ideas for entertainment and shows and things like that, possibly even a museum. So there's a lot of potential here and we'll just have to decide what's the best thing, but we'll give a few things a try. And I'm really looking forward to having some people in my English pub.